Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix no payment method error in Meta Ads Manager. If you're trying to add the payment method or you already did but now it shows the error, so in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue in Meta Ads Manager. So first, you just have to simply open up your business suite and go to your Ads Manager. Once you're there, now first we have to simply go to this second option and then go to billing and payments. And once you get there, then you have to check if your payment method is correct, is working, or is also available there, because sometimes due to glitch it gets removed. So here you can see it has been removed. If you face the same issue, then what you have to do is that you have to upload it again. If you already added it but it's not there, this could be because of the glitch or maybe any issue. So you just have to simply add it. Click onto this option and then you will have to choose a country and your currency. Based on which currency have you selected, you will get different options in payment method. So whatever you would like to choose, just simply select it and add your card details. First, you have to add the name that is on the card, then the card number, and after that, you have to add the expiration date and the code. Make sure to add all these information correct, because if you add anything wrong, then it may affect it again. You also have to add your postal code. Make sure everything is correct and there is no spelling mistake. And once you're done, you just have to simply click onto this save option, and after that it will get saved. But let's say it still shows you an issue, any sort of issue. In that case, you have to contact the help center. For that, click onto this option, and after that you just have to simply submit a report. First, you have to choose the category, and after that you can also choose your subcategory. If you couldn't find it, then you can go for others, and there you have to write everything, like what issue you're having with the payment method, or what you want, like what sort of solution. If you have anything else to explain here, it's up to you. Whatever you like, just simply write it and send feedback, and after that your issue will be resolved or the team will contact you. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.